What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to talk about how long you should practice before recording your online videos. Now, if we've never met, my name is Stephen Coney of Stephen Knows Marketing, and I help insurance agents find customers online using video. So if you're looking to find customers using YouTube or Facebook, or if you're just curious on how and where to get started with online video, then feel free to like or follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tune into my free content. Now, this subject has been debated for a long time. A lot of experts have one opinion and a lot of other people have another opinion. Now, experts say that you should practice maybe an hour to two, even more, before doing a presentation or doing a video. And then other people think you shouldn't practice at all. They think it should come off the cuff, should be natural, and it should be completely spontaneous. I have a different idea or different way of thinking when it comes to practicing for online videos. So I personally think that if you're going to record a video that's between 1 minute to 6 to 7 minutes, then you shouldn't need more than 15 to 20 minutes to practice and rehearse the video. And let me explain. Now, there's two things that can happen whenever you're spending a lot of time rehearsing or practicing for a video. One of the things that can happen is that you spend 2-3 hours practicing for your video, and what happens is that you could actually spend more time just trying to focus on getting a perfect take than that pretty much puts you to the point where you don't even create the video to begin with, because nothing is ever perfect. So to recap, you are practicing so much to get that take perfect that you're never satisfied with what you've recorded or what you've practiced, so you don't record the video at all. Now, there's another thing that happens, which has happened to me a bunch of times, is that I've practiced for hours and hours on end on a video, and when you practice for a long time, there's three things that could happen. There's three things that do happen. You have terrible takes, you have good takes, and you have perfect takes. And what would happen is whenever I went to go shoot that video, in my head, I would think back to my perfect take. And if I didn't perform the video as well as I did in that perfect take, it would jack up my head. And then all of a sudden I would ruin the video. I'd freeze up, and all of a sudden that take is gone. So I'd have to scrap the video and start all over again. Luckily, it wasn't a live broadcast, because that would be just horrible. But to recap on this tip for this video, whenever you're practicing for a video that's around 1 to 6 to 7 minutes, it shouldn't take no longer than 15 to 20 minutes to get a good idea, a good practice for what you're going to record on your video. Anything longer, then you're running in the risk of, like I said, comparing yourself to the perfect take, or you may not record the video at all. Now, of course, if you're recording a video that's more like 10 to 20 minutes, then of course it's going to take longer to get a good practice session for recording that video. But of course, do not over practice, because what will happen, like I said, is you will be too focused on making it perfect, and you'll avoid making the video altogether. Now, question of the day: has over practicing kept you from recording online videos? Type yes or no in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Also, too, if you are enjoying this content, feel free to like or follow my page. I update twice a week, and I continue to try to give as much value as possible to you guys every single video. So until next time, my next Facebook Live, I'll see you guys around. It's always a pleasure. Take care.